Okay guys, this is the part 2, and let's see that in part 2 I have to make the part 2 because there is a lot of sprites here. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the beer. In beer, I said the position, there is no beer, and there is no beer, and the sky, and there is no beer, alright? And where is the beer? The beer, and I just named it beer, but actually, empty, okay, but it's not empty at work, it's very good. And look that, okay, let's make it 317, and the position must be this, or I can show this. Okay, I just make it this, and say join username to card time for 2 seconds. Okay, means look, it is very guys card time. So it's there, it's really cool. OMG, it's really so guys, this was today's video. Like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys, take care. Waiting for a new game. Bye guys.